Hello friends, in this video we will see the real-time use of the body. Okay, how we can utilize the body technology provided by the SAP. So let me tell you the importance of the body technology. Through this technology or through this body business add-ins, okay, as the name suggests, we can interrupt or we can add our own functionality. We can write our own coding within the SAP standard program. Okay, it's something add-ins, okay, through some standard business functionality. So suppose if I want to interrupt the SAP standard program, suppose if I want to apply some validation, okay, in SAP standard program, then through body we can do that, we can achieve that. But before that we need to find out the particular body definition that can fulfill our requirement. So for all the SAP standard program, SAP has already provided the body definition. That means transaction SE18, this is for body builder, and we can create the body definition. So we do not need to do this anything here in SE18. We do not need to create any body definition. It is already done by SAP. For all SAP standard program, body definition is already defined and provided by the SAP. Just we need to find out that. Okay. So I will show you how to find out the body definition for any SAP standard program. For example, suppose XK02 is one of the SAP standard program. Okay, this is the vendor name that I have entered, and I have select the address checkbox. I am pressing enter. Okay, now suppose I am entering something here in a postcode field. Okay, postal code. Now suppose on this screen I want to make this region field mandatory. Okay, that user has to provide sub input in this particular checkbox of region. Okay, so when I save my data, on the save button I want to put the validation. So when I press the save button, along with the SAP standard functionality, some of the body definition will also called, that we need to find out. And how we can do that? Okay, so in another session I will open the SC24 transaction code, SC24, and here this is the SAP standard class that is given by the SAP, CL_exit handler. Okay, so let me go into the display mode. Let me press the display button. Here go inside the get instance method. Okay, and put a breakpoint here on call method. Call method statement, line number 14, put a breakpoint. So when I press the save button while XK02 transaction, now program will stop here, and we can check the value inside the exit name variable. So whatever the value we can find in exit name variable, that all are the body definition called while XK02 or while any SAP standard program. Now I have applied the breakpoint. Now I will go to my change vendor screen, and now I press the save button. Now you can see, now system go into the debug mode. Let me go to desktop 3 and let me double click on the exit name. So you can see this address check is one of the body that is available on pressing the save button while XK02 transaction, which is the SAP standard program to change the vendor data. Now I will continue by pressing this button. Okay, you can see the different values. Now you can see instead of address check is addr underscore txjcd underscore check. So that means the multiple body called when I press the save button on xk02. Okay, so we need to find out the particular body that can help us to fulfill our requirement. Okay, that we need to analyze, we need to check the body definition in SC18, and we need to analyze and we need to find out the particular body definition. Okay, so I'm again pressing this button. You can see another body definition again. Okay, this all are the body definition that is called on the save button on xk02. Okay, this vendor underscore add data is also one of the body definition. Okay, you can see multiple body. I am pressing this button and finally the data is saved. So this is how we can check which body definition is called while particular SAP standard transaction or particular SAP standard program. Okay, we will continue the same topic in the next lecture. Thank you.